In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export company data via a CSV file, either in bulk or individually, and all of that in a single click. Exporting companies to a CSV file makes it easy to share, analyze, and back up company records without needing to copy data manually. This is helpful for reporting, offline review, and sending structured data to stakeholders. Let me show you how you can do this. So first we want to navigate to contacts on the left, click on companies at the top, and here you can see all your companies. You can search for the companies via your advanced filter or the search box if you just wanted to select a few companies. If you wanted to download all in bulk, you just click this button and all the companies are being selected. Then you click on export here, or you click the three dots on the top right corner and click on export there. Once you're downloading, you see a progress bar showing up, showing you exactly where you're at in the process. If you just wanted to select a few companies, you do that simply by individually clicking the check mark here and then click on export. Please note all the company fields are being included in the download, as well as including custom fields. From here, you can then go and filter through your data if you need to and share it with your team. If any of your team members don't see the export button, please go and check their role permissions. Maybe they don't have access to companies or any relatable activities such as download CSV files. That's it already. This is how easy you can download your company data. I hope you liked this video and be sure to check out all of our other videos within the playlist. I will see you there.